Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan, ngayon pa lang. Sige na. Ayan na. Ngayon pa lang nag-start yung video. Anong ginagawa ni Kim?
Kelly has died on the cross.
No.
Kelly has died on the cross.
No.
Oh.
Be Jesus.
No, she just want to hug your mommy.
When she gets older,
She just want to welcome your mommy.
Okay, stop. Okay.
welcome
That's it.
someone I
Yeah, look,
never
just a minute.
She's not moving.
No, she's so sleepy. Anong ginawa niyo? Huwag niyo gulotin. Kawawa naman. Ginulat niyo na naman dalawa. Kawawa naman Kelly ha. Kasi mga kuya makulit. Ayan na. Ano na ginagawa niyo? Niloloko po ng